Hi, are you a coach? Want to build a coaching business, multi-dollar coaching business, or you can say want 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 1 CR in revenue? Today I'm going to show you how my coaching client, who was complete beginner, went from 0 to 30 lakhs in just 3 months. And if you also want to know this, I'll tell you how and what you have to do to reach to 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs within first 3 months, even if you haven't started your coaching yet. Okay, number one thing, product. This is where the majority of the coaches fail. You try to take coaching from different mentors who try to sell you marketing and don't tell you how you should create your product or how important it is to create your product. Now, what does product include? Product include your commitment or what results you are going to give to your client. That is number one, results. You should be clear in the results, what results they are going to get. And that's where people will come to you because they are coming to you for results. Second thing, offer. Does your offer has support in it? What will they do if they are stuck at some point? That's called offer. Your irresistible offer. Okay, so that is the most important thing. So if you are starting out, first for 1 complete month, focus on results. What will be the results my customers will get, my coaching clients will get, and how irresistible your offer can be. Okay, that is number one thing. Second is mindset. Okay, now if you have the mindset of earning, now you are seeing this video for 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs. If your mindset is just earning, don't start a coaching business, because you should have the transformation mindset. How you can transform your customer's life. Okay, we are running a performance marketing agency, Funnels Traffic. We always have in our mind, how can we help our clients achieve their goal? How they can hit their goal or revenue or profits into their business. We do whatever it takes. We do extra 5 webinars. We do extra sales via emails. We do extra WhatsApp. So that is transformation mindset and not just the money making mindset. So always have the transformation mindset. So that's where beginner coaches lack transformation mindset. Okay. Third is sales. Now, believe me or not, people will sell you that anything will sell, but you should know the basics of sales. You should know the structure of sales. First, you have to focus on their problems. If you don't focus on your customer's problem, why will they even listen to you? Then you have to actually give them the offer to solve the problem. If your offer is not solving their problem, why they should come to you? Now, majority of the coaches who are just starting out, they are thinking that I'll charge 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees and people will pay me. But you have to think about the problems. You have to talk about the problems of customer. Now we are just talking about ourselves, that we have done this, we have done this much of lead generation, we have done this much of sales, but you have done it. Does your customer have the similar problem? You are not focused on your customer. You are focused on ourselves. I have seen many webinars, people are just talking about themselves. They are not talking about the solution to your customer's problem. And that's why sale doesn't happen. And we feel that we are not able to sell, we are not able to do something, our product is not good. People tell us that we can't touch 30 lakhs. It's not that. It's simple. You should have the sales mechanism where you will talk about the problems, you will give the irresistible offer, and then you should be good at communication also. Most important point, communication. If you are not able to talk to your customer that what you are going to solve, how you are going to solve their problem, if they don't know how you have solved others' problem, what you do, what you don't do, how can you benefit me, all these things are part of communication. And let me tell you, fifth one is more important. Okay, so fifth is one single message. Now, if you are just starting out in 2024, the competition is higher. Now, if you will be generalized, it will be difficult for you to attract the customer. You have to be specific. I'll give you one example. We had a client from finance industry. So if it would have been 2022 or 2020, you could easily say, learn stock market from me. It was very easy to sell the generalized problem, learn stock market or invest in stock market. But nowadays in 2024, it's so much of competition is there. If you say that learn stock market from me, no one will trust you, even if you are the best in the world. So you have to be little more specific. You have to come with a message. Now, what is that message? That one message is, example, if you tell your customer that how you can buy at the bottom and sell at the top and make money from stock market. You are specific here, that buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Specificity comes into picture, and that's where customer will be get attracted. So that's called messaging. And if this messaging is there on your landing page, in your complete webinar, in your sales messages, in your, when people call your customers, they are saying same, that do you want to actually buy at the bottom? Don't you want to buy at the bottom? That's where it's sync of messaging. And that's how people will trust your brand. And that's where sales happen, and that's how you will reach 30 lakhs in 3 months, even if you are new. Last but not the least, we are helping our clients with our agency funnels traffic to generate leads, to build this system, to nurture these leads, and eventually reach to the target which you want to reach.